Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Vermilion Bay, a small town along Highway 17-inch Northwestern Ontario. This community sits right on the shores of Eagle Lake, surrounded by forests and the sparkling waters. In the early 1900s, the town grew as a stopover for travelers, fishermen, and loggers working in the nearby forests. Today, it's a popular spot for people heading to cottages, fishing lodges, or just passing through on their way west. The nearby lakes and rivers are perfect for fishing, boating, or just soaking in the Northern Ontario wilderness. You'll also find a small aviation museum that highlights the region's floatplane history, which has been a big part of life up here. Whether you're stopping in for a quick break or planning to stay and explore the outdoors, Vermilion Bay offers a peaceful and friendly northern welcome. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Vermilion Bay, Ontario. Thanks for watching!